Hello, morning guys. Welcome back to the channel. Coffee, work setup, and also a lot of updates for you guys. It's been so many videos on different topics that I've not given you guys general updates. The first update, many people have asked about the weight loss goals for September. Now, it was not 10 kilos that I achieved, but the goal is on and I'm happy with the progress. So October is there, November is there. You know, with these months, September, October, November, all the festivals are starting and it's going to be tough managing weight and exercise, but I'm extremely active. You know it, I go cycling, biking, walking, jogging, everything is on, but the diet needs a little bit of control. I'm 100% foodie, so you know that's going to take some time. So I got my license renewed and I didn't want to make a video at the license office, but I reached the DMV at 5 in the morning and I was number 83 in the line. So I believe the first person who was in line, he got there at like 1 in the morning with his chair and blanket, and he was at the DMV from 1 in the morning. So he was first in the line. So I was there at 5, which is okay. I was 83. So I got there at 5, chilled out, sat there. You'll see some pictures, couple of pictures. A lot of social distancing was there in the line. But yeah, the DMV has to be managed better. I don't know why the lines are so big. Maybe because it was shut for some months, the backlog. But I got my license renewed at about 10 in the morning. So 5-6 hours it took. Once you enter the DMV, it's fine. But the line outside is what took most of the time. Anyways, license is renewed for 4 years, so that's the second update I wanted to give you guys. The third update is Darren starts his job today. I know I made a video a few weeks ago, but it takes time with the paperwork and the background checks and everything. But his first job officially starts today, which is Monday, 5th of October. So I'll be taking him and dropping him and picking him up. So you know, as parents, like I say, you have to support. So I will be dropping, picking. There's no auto rickshaws here, and Uber is just not worth it. It's expensive to go all the way to his office and back by Uber. So I will make time to drop and pick him up from work, and that's the only thing I can do. How he does at work and how he performs is totally up to him. So I've been continuously making videos for you guys. Obviously, like YouTube, some videos do well, some videos don't do well. That's fine. I'm not in this game for some superstardom. I'm here because I love making videos, and kind of now it is an addiction, you know. So I'm got my YouTube sticker and name on my MacBook Pro. So I'll have to make this commitment to YouTube. Those of you who are subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button for my effort. I don't put in that much effort in editing, but I think I put in a lot of effort on video creating and topics and, you know, being creative about the whole YouTube game. So please check out all the videos if you haven't checked out some. There are all kinds of topics here: lifestyle, family, cars, motorcycle, and much more. So guys, I also picked up this ring light from B&H Photo, and it's a pretty cool ring light. This is what it is, GVM. I think it was $88, but it's nice. I mean, it's quite bright. I don't want to put it on here and glare out the camera, and we have good lighting with the sun today. So this is a new addition to the YouTube gear, and I'm just waiting for us to buy a house next year because this 2-bedroom apartment is getting cluttered, and we pay a lot of rent for this 2-bedroom, but we just love the view. So every morning you get up looking at this view of Manhattan, and you can't get enough of that. So yesterday Raj and I went to the monthly biker meetup. There were at least 100 bikes. The weather was awesome. It was sunny and chilly. My favorite weather, when the sun is out and it's chilly. Such amazing bikes. Check out a few pictures that I took. I did not vlog yesterday with Raj. We did some Instagram posts, so you can check out my Instagram, Ryan Woodman 75. You'll see all of that there. But look at some of the pictures. The biker meetup was awesome. The classic bikes that were there, BMW, Kawasaki, Moto Guzzi, Buell, all kinds of bikes were there, Harley Davidson. And obviously I like the BMW, so check out a few pictures I took. So the AGV K3 helmet, I rode it yesterday for the first time and it gets my thumbs up for the price. What was my favorite obviously was the flip down visor, which is here. So it flips down, and that's why I bought this helmet in the first place. And also the colors, I love the colors, match my blue bike to the T. Keep reading all your comments on the videos, and thank you so much for the comments. A lot of people are happy with the kind of topics I pick, like the guns and then Tesla and then MacBook. It's varied topics. I know some of you may think I'm just doing every kind of video out there, but that's what I like to do. If I buy a product, if I go somewhere, if I review a car, if I review a new BMW bike, I do all kinds of videos on this channel. So you'll get variety, some food videos also. So it depends what you like to watch, but so far I've seen the comments have been very positive with the kind of videos and the kind of topics I have chosen. I know the gun topic, most countries watching about the gun video may not be very pro that kind of topic because guns are illegal in some countries. But I thought we should discuss it further and talk about it. So I'll be doing many videos, and in some of the videos I will share a lot of personal stuff around finances, around assets, around how we plan our life, around our future. We've talked about our green card, we've talked about everything. So my kids, my wife, what we do here. So I'm pretty open, and with your support I will share much more on the channel. And also Instagram, I share a lot of day-to-day activities on Instagram. So please check me out on Instagram as well. And finally guys, before ending this update video, I want to announce the next Q&A session with Karishma and me. So Karishma and me will sit down and answer Q&As. We did one a long time ago, which I'm actually trying to figure out where that video is, but we did the Q&A video a long time ago and it was quite a big success. So we got a lot of views on that video. Yeah, this was our first Q&A video. And it was July 6th, I guess. We got nearly 10,000 views. So go check out this video. But if there's any questions you have after seeing that Q&A video and you would like us to answer, I think I'll do a Q&A every 3 to 4 months. So last was July. I think October, November we'll make the next one. If there are any questions, it could be personal, it could be financial, it could be different topics. But first see that Q&A video. If we've not answered it, about career, about house, about everything, family, if we've not answered it in that Q&A, please put down your questions in this video in the comments below and I will take your questions. You can also send your questions on Instagram in a DM or whatever. I read most of the messages as well, unless it's some real crazy rubbish. But this video is also announcing our next Q&A, so please put the questions in the comments below. We will pick the best questions that we feel the audience would like to see, the subscribers would like to see, and Karishma and I will make a question and answer again for you guys. So tomorrow's Karishma's birthday. I'm going to be a little busy today buying the cake and cards and gifts and wrapping up the gifts because the kids and she are busy with school and work. And washing machine broke down, so I'm waiting for the washing machine repair guy to come. So here, if you have any product that breaks down, the minimum visiting fee for the repair guy is like $150 to $200. So without him even touching the washing machine, we have to first pay like $150 to $200. Then he will repair it, and then we'll see the total cost. So anyways, my landlord will pay some of it and I will pay some of it. So let's see how it goes. But you need a good washing machine to wash the clothes, so I want that urgently done today. So that's it for today, guys. It's a busy Monday and a busy week ahead, and I'll make the next video probably about Karishma's birthday tomorrow. So yes, those are the updates. Please put your questions in the comments below for my next Q&A. As we get some good questions, we'll launch the Q&A video. Alright guys, have a lovely week. It's nice and sunny, so I'm going to enjoy this week. Take care guys, bye, and please subscribe.